Okay, so she's eating a box. You show the vlog how you eat the box? No? Good morning, guys. So, I'm eating some weird breakfast concoction that I made. Just kind of throwing stuff together. I think Adam should be ready to watch the movie soon, so I'm trying to eat as fast as I can. So yeah, we're gonna watch The Neighbors. I'm really excited. I've wanted to see it so bad. Zac Efron is so hot and he looks so good in this movie. So we're gonna watch that. And then I think Cindy may be coming over at some time. I still have to... She said she was. I'm not sure what time. But I hope you're all having a good day so far, and I will see you later on throughout the day. Alright, I'll talk to you then. Bye. Okay, guys, so the movie was so freaking funny. Yes, I'm filming. So I'm watching some YouTube videos. Sorry, here. Zoe's doing something up front. I don't know. So, yeah, we're just chilling right now. I'm still in my pajamas. It's kind of it's 1 o'clock. I need to get going. So, I need to eat. Cindy is coming over. Hopefully, if they can fix her car, it kind of stopped working. But I understand. I've had some car issues, too, with the Mustang. So, hopefully they can get that fixed, because I haven't seen her since she's been back from Puerto Rico. So, it'd be nice to catch up. I haven't seen her in, like... June, almost 4 months now, so I haven't seen her in forever. So it'll be nice to get to catch up with her and just chill. And then, yeah. So I will catch up with you guys later. I don't know if I'm gonna film any. Maybe I'll quickly show her. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, most of my friends don't know that I vlog. I mean, my dad still doesn't even know that I vlog. I don't think my grandmother knows, so it's still kind of awkward, but maybe, depends on what we do. We're probably just gonna blah, 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 like girls do when they haven't seen each other in so long. So I'm gonna go eat, watch Phil's vlog, get changed, and yeah, if you haven't seen The Neighbors, watch it because it's hysterical. If you have, let me know in the comments below what you thought. My brother and I laughed hysterically. We thought it was a funny movie. So I would recommend it. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later, and maybe we'll see what that crazy cat's doing. Bye. Let's go see what the cats are doing in my parents' bedroom. We got Neo, Paris, focus, Paris and Neo. I don't know where Gigi is. I'm going to sit on the floor. But, because I have a headache, I have like a migraine. Because I kind of like... I don't know how it happened, but I was like sitting out on the couch and I like choked on my own spit or something. And like had a really bad coughing fit, and I know it's probably too much information, but kind of like threw up a little. And now I have like a massive headache. So after that, I've just kind of been feeling not 100%. My head just will not quit with it hurting. So I've just been taking a lazy day, just chilling, because, yeah, I haven't been feeling well since that all happened, and like I said, my head is now killing me, so it's just been kind of a slow day. It's 4:12. I don't know if Cindy's coming over because her car is still not working, something about having to get a part somewhere, so we'll see. I'm just playing, keeping myself entertained. I don't know. So I'm sitting with the kitties. I don't know where G is. She's probably under the bed or in the closet. So, I hope y'all are having a better day than I am. And it's kind of like crappy out too. Here, let's see if we can see. Oh, the grayness. The clouds are all gray and it's been raining. So it's kind of just like a crappy day out, so I guess that's okay that I'm not feeling well. But yeah, hopefully your day is going better. Hi, Pear. You want to say hi? You sniffing the internet? Do they smell good? And there's the big boy. He's probably gonna get afraid of the camera. Yep. You're such a chicken. Okay, guys, it is time to go to bed. It's almost midnight and I'm tired. So we watched the season premiere of Bones tonight, and oh my gosh, if you guys are a fan of Bones and watched it tonight, Thursday, the season premiere, what did you think? Let me know in the comments below, because, and if you haven't watched it, a little spoiler alert, I cannot believe that Sweets died. Yeah, Mom and I were definitely crying. I definitely cried. Was like not expecting that at all. I love Sweet's character. And another spoiler alert, Daisy's pregnant. Like, what is gonna happen? What's gonna happen, Zoe? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen, little one? So yeah, it was definitely a good episode. I mean, it was sad that Sweets died, but so it's gonna be weird watching the season without him. Alright, Cindy didn't come over because her car still needs to get fixed. Hopefully, her dad got the part, so hopefully he can fix it tomorrow so she can come down, because I haven't seen her in forever and I miss her. And this cat's gonna do some crazy things. Zoe, no. Don't mind that crazy mess. Oh, it sounds like it's pouring. It is pouring. You know what that means? It is time for me to go to bed, because the rain helps me go to sleep. And this cat. Zoe, come on, you can't. Why does my clock say that it's... What? What happened? There. Okay, that was weird. Zoe, come on. Okay, guys, so I want to thank you all so much for watching. Zoe does too. And I hope you all had a great day. What else? Oh, if you enjoyed this video... Sorry, I'm trying to get this cat. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I will see you all tomorrow. Hopefully you have had a great morning, evening, night, whenever you're watching this. And I will see you all tomorrow. Oh. Alright, let me get this crazy cat, and I will see you all tomorrow. Night. Bye.